Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Palak Paneer with Butter Naan. At the end of this recipe, I'm also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need first for the butter naan, 1 cup refined flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1.5 tablespoon oil, 0.5 cup milk, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon nigella seeds and few chopped coriander leaves. For the palak paneer, we need 300 grams spinach, 2 teaspoons salt or as per taste, half teaspoon baking soda, 2 green chilies, few coriander leaves with stalks, 3 dry red chilies, 6 garlic cloves slices, 4 garlic cloves chopped, cold water, 1 tablespoon ghee, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon oil, 500 gram paneer, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon prepared masala. The prepared masala is prepared by grinding 0.5 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns and 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 0.5 cup cream, 1 tablespoon ghee, 1 dry red chili and 4 chopped garlic cloves. Now for the recipe. First, for the naan, place the flour on a clean bench top. Create a well in the middle of the flour. Add salt, baking powder, sugar and oil to it. Mix everything together. Again create a well in the middle and add half of the milk to it. Combine everything together and knead the dough for at least 10 minutes by folding and pressing the dough. Cover the dough with a damp cloth for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you will see that the dough has become soft. Next, make dough balls and rest it for 15 minutes. Next, take one dough ball and cover the remaining. Press the dough ball with your hand and then using a rolling pin, roll the dough halfway with the help of a rolling pin. Next, apply nigella seeds and coriander and roll again. Roll it to 0.5 cm thickness. Next, heat a flat pan to medium-high heat. Make sure the pan is not non-stick because we want the naan to stick to it. Once the pan is hot, sprinkle some water on the pan. If the water sizzles, that means that the pan is ready. Next, apply water on the back of the naan and place it on the pan. Next, flip the pan and cook the top side of the naan from all the sides by holding the pan with the top side of the naan facing the flame. Once cooked from the top, flip the naan and check if it is cooked from the bottom or not. Apply some butter on top of it. Your naan is ready to serve. To make a flaky butter naan, roll the dough ball as thin as possible. Next, make the pleats in the naan by lifting ½ inch of the rolled dough from one end and then placing it on top of the next. Repeat this process till the end of the rolled dough. Next, make a circle out of this and place the last plate at the bottom to lock it. Next, roll the dough as previously and apply nigella seeds and coriander on top of it. Cook the naan as described previously. Your flaky naan is ready. Now for the palak paneer. In a boiling water, add salt, baking soda and chilies. Baking soda helps to retain the green color of the spinach. Next, add coriander and spinach to it and blanch it for a minute and then transfer it to cold water. The cold water stops the cooking. Squeeze the excess water and transfer it to a grinder jar. Grind this to a smooth paste. Next, in a wok on medium heat, add oil and ghee. Once the fat is hot, add cumin seeds, red chilies and sliced garlic and mix. Once the garlic turns light brown, add the spinach puree and mix. Next, in a separate pan, add oil and once the oil is hot, shallow fry the paneer from all sides until golden brown. The paneer is fried so that it retains its shape in the spinach sauce. Transfer this to hot water for a few minutes so that the paneer is soft from inside. Once the spinach sauce releases oil, add salt, red chili powder and prepared masala with a dash of water and mix. Cook for 2 minutes. Next, add paneer cubes and mix gently to avoid breaking paneer. Cook for another 2-3 minutes. Next, turn off the flame and add cream and mix. Transfer this to a serving bowl. Your palak paneer is ready to serve. For tempering, in a pan on medium heat, add ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add chopped garlic and dry red chili. Mix everything and cook until the garlic has started to change its color. Keep it aside for further use. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, add the prepared tempeh on top of the prepared palak paneer. Garnish it with cream and place it on a platter. Place the prepared naan next to it. add butter on top of the naan and palak paneer. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, in a bowl add palak paneer, garnish it with cream and add the prepared temper on top of it. Add the butter on top of it and place it on a plate. Place a naan next to it. Add butter on top of the naan. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, in a plate add naan, add palak paneer on top of it, garnish it with cream and add the prepared temper on top of it. Add the butter on top of it. Your plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.